Today we are working on Excel Lesson 8, the 7th lesson, exporting data as CSV. So it says click File, Save As, Browse, navigate to My Projects folder. Oops. Click the arrow for Save As type and select CSV, delimited, which is right here. Then click Save. A warning message appears below the ribbon to inform you of possible data loss. I do not see a warning label or a warning at all. In the warning message, click the close button. So if you got a warning message, click close, but I didn't get one, so I don't know what to do. I'll just keep going. Start Notepad, then click File, Open from the menu. So click down here in your search and type Note, and then there's your Notepad app. Click File and then Open. Change the document type from text documents to all files. If necessary, navigate to My Projects folder, which that is necessary for me. Go to your My Projects folder and select Flight Export File and then click Open. Notice that in the Notepad window, each row of data appears as a line of text with commas separating the values that appear in columns A, B, C, and D in the Excel workbook. So you see all those commas in there. Close Notepad without saving any changes. Notice that all the cell formatting was in the original workbook has been removed and only the text data remains. Mark as answered. Submit. Submit results. This completes exporting data as CSV.